LinkedIn company pages help you build awareness, recruit talent, and showcase your offerings to millions of professionals. In this video, I will walk you through setting up your own company page in just a few clicks. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you get here, log into your account. Now click on the For Business drop down. Here, click on the option of Create a Company Page. Choose the type, small business, medium to large business, showcase page, or educational institution that fits your organization. Now fill in your page identity such as company name, public LinkedIn URL, and website. Next, upload your logo and add a tagline to summarize what you do. Now complete the overview section. Choose your industry, company size, founder date, and company type. Write a compelling about description that highlights your mission, products, and services. Click edit on the banner area to upload a cover image. Scroll down to add headquarter location, specialties, and any relevant hashtag follow suggestions. Review all the fields, then click Create Page. Your company page is now live. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.